This is the beginning of part 2 of the video on how to set up the PostIT Blog Module with the Stronghold skin. Now for the sake of testing, let's add our first post. So let's just click New Post. We still have some styling, we still have some setup to do, but let's just give it a try first. So we have the title, here is an ipsilorum title. Great thing with this module is that right away you can specify how the URL will look like, so you can control the SEO aspects of your URL. You can specify the date and time that this will be posted. You can choose a file that will, an image that will show up together with the post. I have selected here one or two that we can use. Now, there's a summary, and I'm gonna add an ipsilorum summary as well, just a test content. And there's also the full content here, the full content editor, which we can extend the content and we can put a lot more information here. So again, summary, the editor with the full post. We can specify tags. Those tags will become categories, if you may. So let's say that this is a test category, and we separate by comma. There's also some meta information that you can enter. You can enter meta keywords, meta description, page headers, page header tags if you need, and some aspects of those are still relevant to SEO. You may or may not use them. I'm not going to go through them at this point. You have the option to save or save and publish. Save will save the information, but it will not publish it right away. I'm going to just click on save and publish, and let's see what will happen here. Perfect. Now we have our full post, and if we are seeing the actual post, if we go back to the blog main page, we're just going to see the summary. See, it's all styled according to what we were expecting. As you have a look at the blog demo here, it's styled the same way. The skin has already all that styling together. Now, to make it even closer, let's fix the right side here. Instead of tags, let's change the title to tags and categories, and let's select another another container. Let's go to the settings. Let's change the title. Let's call it tags and categories, and under page settings, let's select another container. Let's see if this H2 will look better. Click update, and here's how it's looking like. So very, very similar to what the live site has. Actually, see, the title is a little bit different, so you may have to pick another container. There are a few to choose from. I'm just going to leave this one for the time being. As you can see, the styling for the tags for the categories, they already come in a way that if you move the mouse over, it says how many posts you have under that category. You also have the archive, which in our case here, it's again just called archive. We're going to do that here as well. As you can see, there's just one post, so it only shows December 2011 because there is only one post here in our test. Let's go back to manage. Let's go to set, change the skin to, let's say, H2 title as we did before. Let's go back to the module settings and just call this archive. Click update. And now we have archive. Now there's one missing here, latest posts. Latest posts will be achieved via the feed module. If we go back here to modules, if we select all categories, and on the drop down, let's select the USC PostIT feed, and let's add that to the side pane to the button. Let's click, let's change the title already here, and it's called latest posts. Let's just copy this and add here. Oops. Okay, it doesn't want me to paste, but I will. add module, and it should add right here. Now we have to change the skin as well, sorry, the container as well. Let's go to settings, page settings, and then we select the same container, update. Perfect. So now we have the 3 modules here on the site and the main area with the content. Let's have a look at this without being logged in so we can have a really understanding of how the end user would see this. I'm just going to open Internet Explorer with this page loaded, and we can have a better look. So as you can see, again, post on the right side, on the left side. On the right side, you have tags, archive, and latest posts, very similar to the way the demo is set up. We can click read more to see the entire post. And at the bottom, we have like it from Facebook, Twitter, we have share, and we have comments as well. Now, there is something that I want to mention about comments. This module, PostIT, it integrates with a service called Discuss. Discuss is a discussing platform that you can open your own free account. I think it has a free account and a paid account, but the free account should be pretty okay. So you can open an account, you can create many sites under it, and the entire discussion will be managed by this platform. So just to give an example, here in my live site, which is using this module, I have on the first post, I have a comment here. And as you can see, I see the comment on my back end. Here's the comment. I can manage, I can delete, I can reply. And on my website, you can see the comment that someone did, my reply back. So this is all controlled by the connectivity between PostIT and the Discuss platform, which you need to open an account to be able to allow comments on your blog. So here from the website perspective, you just need to go to comments, the comment module, go to configuration, and then from here you will enter the short name that will come from the site that you have added to Discuss. In my case here, I just had to enter this ID, this name that I have created. I have added this, and I just have to edit the short name right here. So very simple. Now there are 2 more options. Discuss developer mode. If it's off, it means that comments will go live. If it's on, it means that you are just testing the platform. So by default it comes off, so it comes live already. That's the only thing that you need to do. Just put the short name of your site from Discuss. Nothing much here. I'm not gonna go through that, but that's basically it. Now, in terms of options that this module brings to you, the main module here, PostIT, if you go to manage and go to settings, you will have a tab that says PostIT settings. It has very few options. You can specify the feed thumbnail, the title format, how many posts will come per page, if it will have paging or not, if there's a previous and next page, if it will display the page number. As I said before, this is a very simple module, but it's good. It's good that it's simple because you don't get buried with 1,000 different options. So it's very straight to the point, very straightforward to use, not much configured. Again, I just added the modules, I started posting, and that's it. I'm done here. Now, the account that will show as the person who posted the entry, the blog entry, will be the account of the current user logged in. Okay, so very simple to use. Latest posts, you have the short summary here, have archive, tags and categories. Again, if you're looking for a simple blog module solution, you should definitely consider this one here. It comes already skinned. In my opinion, it looks great. And that's basically it. In the next posts, I'll cover some additional modules that will come already skinned with this skin package, okay? Thank you very much. That's it, and bye.